The aortic valve is the valve between the left ventricle and the main blood vessel of the body, that is the aorta. It is at the junction of the heart and the vasculature of the body and is the gate through which the blood passes from the heart to the rest of the body. This valve is the second most commonly affected due to heart valve disease. Most often, surgeons would change this valve. This valve can also be beautifully repaired. It can be repaired using one's own body tissues or artificial heart valve tissues. Once repaired, this valve can last a lifetime and provide a long, healthy, disease-free, medicine-free, normal life for the patient.